The guys of drugs are very smart, my brother, very, very smart. You need to be way ahead of them because, you know, and the people that you are working with, General Mkhwanazi is correct. It's correct in terms of the analysis. Those are allegations, the allegations, right? But in terms of his analysis and what he has been saying, in terms of this road, he's correct. And we've been saying that every single time. I know that not all men in blue are corrupt. There are those who are hardworking there. We know, we've been working with them. For example, the guys from the Gauteng Tracing Unit. Those guys, they're working very hard. We've got guys from the K9 unit. Some of them are working very hard. It's not all of them, but you've got these rotten apples that are there, are corrupting the whole system. For example, we did a drug bust about them at Orange Farm. The station commander there was refusing us to book the drug dealer. And it's a known fact. I had to call the district commissioner of Sedibeng to force the guys to arrest the person. Again, my colleagues at the Midrand, I think is, this police station, we had a success here. Instead of my colleagues being very happy, we were looked as if not we are criminals. Why didn't come unannounced and everything? But we said that this was a covert operation and these are the drugs that we found and we want to actually book them. But they did anyway at the end. It's fine. The other one is when the cases, they get struck off the roll, the cases disappear. When are we going to sort that out? We've been saying it for 3 years. Mkhwanazi is right. And the president must act. Must clean everything the road. Why cases? I even said to you guys, why do cases disappear? I said that. I can form the best unit. We can do everything we have. Even in the IGR with the premier, I said, we're going to do all this work, but the criminals, we arrest them and the cases disappear.
Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi ngithathe lithuba ngibonge isupport nothandeni isikhombise lona lingaphezulu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupport njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukucomment, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Sukwini ezedlule sibona izindaba noma report ethi uXolani Khumalo sizokuthola uyafuneka. Kunecala elimele fanele aboshwe. Uphendulileke uXolani Khumalo wachaza ukuthi uyozibophisa yena. Uzozisa yena epolice station washo nosuku sizosifunda istatement esesivela kuye esizosichazela imininingwane okwenzakaleni. Kodwa ngaphambi basifike kwistatement ngeke ngathola ivideo yomuntu ochazayo ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Yini lezo zibophisa uXolani? So sifunda istatement sakhe sobe sesazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngicela ubone la.
We received a call this morning that the chairperson has been arrested, the Gauteng chairperson to Makgatebe, which it's very surprising that he was arrested for serving the community and fighting crime. From where we are standing, we are very surprised. Number one, because this operation that Duma is being arrested for, that is the operation where we were invited by SEPS. And surprisingly, the guy who is opening a case against Uduma is the very same person who was arrested on the day, who was found in possession of 4, if not 5, different registrations of different cars. Number 2, he was found with papers, the car papers. Number 3, he was in possession of ammunition that was inside the evidence bag from Jabulani police station. So the very same person who was arrested is the very same person who came back and opened the case of assault.
Yeah, but your members are accused of pointing a firearm and also assault by the perpetrator who was actually supposed to be arrested after being found with evidence, such as the evidence bag and ammunition and all of that. He's accusing them of pointing a firearm. What do you have to say about that?
Look, we do carry firearms. And when we enter a house, because we don't know what is it that is going to happen. So we must be always ready for anything. However, the SAPS was there when this arrest took place. So the question would be, if the guy has an audacity to come and open a case after being arrested, why is it only Duma? Because they are supposed to call in the person who, the operation leader of the day, to account on everything that has happened on the other day. So we are very surprised that today we are here. It's only the members of anti-crime units that are arrested. What about the SAPS members who were there in that operation?
You're monitoring.
What about the person who invited us in the operation or on that operation? They are not arrested. From our view, we think this was a setup from the SAPS, because it can never be that we are the only people that are being arrested on this particular matter.
Futhi la uveza iphuzu elibaluleke kakhulu. Usually uma kuliwa nama-drugs kakhulukazi uma kuyi-private security company, njengoba esho nje ukuthi i-crime prevention unit ebebehamba nayo, mhlampe noXolani Khumalo nethimba lakhe, ayaba khona amaphoyisa, SAPS iba khona. Then why icala specifically libheke kulaba? Ngoba phela icala manje selibheke kuXolani, selibheke kulaba be anti-crime njengoba bezwa nje bethi uchairperson wabo ingoba uboshiwe lo chairperson wabo. Kodwa siyasolisa manje uthi okay, bewakhona namaphoyisa. Shuthi nje amaphoyisa sonke izandla assaultwe laba. Asisho ukuthi abam-assaultanga, asisha sikuphiki. Kodwa lento ifuna ukuthi senze imiqondo yethu ukuthi hayibo, amaphoyisa bowasonga izandla nashawa phambi kwamaphoyisa. And okunye fanele singakukhohlwa, amaphoyisa phela ayakoleka kulabantu bama-drugs insuku zonke ikaThixo, ayahamba uthathwe kweshumi. Manje uma kwenzeka into ezinje kwenza ukuthi siyibhekisise le ndaba ukuthi hayibo, amaphoyisa mhlambe wona ngoba ku-payroll yalabantu njengoba ethi nje ubhuti lo mhlambe bekuyi-trap asazi, kodwa size ngaloku yena ovula icala sizuthi yena uthini.
Akusamaphoyisa angenile, abantu abangenile yibo lawo bokuxola. Okay, ngasho ukuthi amaphoyisa because ngifunde after ukuthi yena lo sisi lo behamba naye bathi buya ku-intelligence supposedly iphoyisa. So bengicela ukufunda inovel, bengicela ukugeza nje, ngicela ukufunda inovel ngaphatha ubuthongo ngazuma yangalala. Ngiyazi izinja zikhonkotha, ngezinja ezi-3 ngiyazi izinja zikhonkotha. So ngitshela ukuthi abantwana ngiye ngizwe njengomnyango qhu lawo sengikhonjwa ngebhamu, sengikhonjwa ngebhamu. Utheni kuthiwe ngiyayilalisa msunu kanyoko, into abayisho, ngiyayilalisa msunu kanyoko. Yini manje into engibabuza yona leyo ukuthi yini manje? Ukuthi abasesibuza leyo nto waza bona sebangidonsa vele. Wangiphuma emnyango wekamera lami 4 house yithi wangiphuma kumnyango lo wekamera lami ungale ngasekitchen, wangiphuma nawo uXolani wakhona la khona la in between kulo oyatuthu yedayino phakathi endlini uyatuthu yedayino wena sana ngiphampa khipha ama-drugs ngimbuze ngizikhotmane ushayela abona phume. Then apha abantu abanika ama-instruction bona khuluma nje abantu lapha, then ubuye kulaba ngithatha khona bangisa kule kamera leli elalokhitheni ubhuti wami lo ngithi uyakuphi eJabulani. Mina nobhuti bekahlala ngale eSoweto eJabulani emaflithini. So what happened lapho ngathi besekanenkinga angazibhadala inkinga zokuzama rent nana. So he decided to come back home, abuyele ngapha. So ngihlala naye uze ne-furniture yakhe lo bangifake kulelo kamera leli ngalokhitheni. Bacala bangishaya ngenqindi yabona le inqindi idunze ibhamu intonyana eningi ezinye ngizikhumbula, but ngikhumbula nje ama-impact chwa yabona ngibadizi nje phela simple mabangiyeka bangibuza ukuthi aphi ama-drugs, ngithi ayinama-drugs. Belule ngisho kanjalo ngithi akunama-drugs, ama-drugs bengiwathengisa kudala ngawayeka awaye bathi awunisijwayela apha ama-drugs bathathe iplastiki khona lapho iplastiki le nama-refugee bag bathathe iplastiki bathathe wona bangifake wona kanje ngifake yona so ngikhone yabo kube ngathi bayadisturbeka kule nto leyo abafuna ukuyenza until bangibuyise okay bangithathe futhi bangise ngale dayinonkulu bathi bophela lo muntu lo mthengisele ekuseni kunamuntu engithengisele mina ama-drugs ekuseni
okay so ama-drugs uthi awusawathengisi, but also there was evidence which abayitholile khona kuwe, which is njengoba bengisho ukuthi bekunama-bullet aku-evidence bag nama-number plate ahlukahlukile. So lezo zinto lezo sihlangana kanjani now?
Yakhumbula ngishini ukuthi kunobhuti wami obuya ngale eSoweto eJabu. That guy une-license gani yakhe i-license, I know for the fact ukuthi igani yakhe i-license. So what happened mangizwa lento beyenzakala khona leSoweto nomfazi wami besebane domestic dispute between themselves. So what happened kwaba involved amaphoyisa lapho, so they had ukuthi ba-confiscate yonke leyo ammunition yakhe nesibhamu sakhe until leyo dispute iziba resolved. So ngiyabona ibe resolved ngokuthi amove back from ngale eSoweto eze ngapho, so they handed over lezo zinto. So lezo zinto lawo ma-bullets bawathole emotweni yakhe, into zakhe bezingakapakishwa zonke, ezinye besagcwele emotweni. Baye bathole i-hoster bathi the hoster le kanesibhamu ithi isakabhuti wami isakabhuti wami hoster kabhuti wami nale moto akusezami. According to bona they were under impression ukuthi zonke lezo moto egcwele lapho ezami. So they were convinced ukuthi ezami. Noma ngibele ngitshela several times akusi ezami le moto, umnikazi asambeni nithathe kumsebenzi. So bengazi exactly ukuthi bathathe ngibayise lapha asifika bathi inhlobo yena ubhuti wami uphumile wethenga igwayi e-BP uthenga igwayi e-BP. So masibuya kahle sebabuya bangengafile ngekhaya masibuya kanje kulalo qolana uthi woza la mina khale sisazoqala ukusebenza ke mina nawe yani angibuza ngala mabullet bengazi nokuthi kunama-bullets lapho ithi angazi ma-bullets abuya but abuya kule moto bathe yithi bangangishilo ukuthi le moto akuseza umuntu onga-accounta for la ma-bullets le umnikazi wale moto mara I know for the fact ukuthi une-license kani bathole kanjalo.
So fast forward nahamba naye police station, manifika police station amaphoyisa kwayenzakalani, because one of the questions arayiziwe ukuthi wena uboshwa
masifike police station ngisho sengifakiwe kuleyo moto le intelligence lo sisi lobathi ubuya ku-intelligence nabo abayi-2 indlela yonke balibele angahakasi inhlulunyana leyo sisi
babahakasa bayenzani, bayakushaya
bahlala kahle. You understand ukuthi bewangifake i-plastic for isikhathi eside angikhoni nokuphefumula kahle, amaphapho wami abuhlungu ukuthi ngivule ifestela sengiyathi wena yabona hlala kahle straight lezo zinto ezifana nale. Size sifike epolice station sithole okay masifike epolice station singene ngale sengathi bayongivalela vele bathola amaphoyisa bangihende basho-ke la kubhuti abayithula babuya le-security company ukuthi sekuhenda over to amaphoyisa anika ama-bullets amaphoyisa. So bawa-explainela amaphoyisa ukuthi but lezi zinto lezi umnikazi wazo unayo i-license ukuthi azipossess. I'm sure I know that for the fact ukuthi unazo bathi ubheke umnikazi wakhe simfonele eze afika abanika ikhadi angazi nokuthi lisho ukuthini ikhadi lakho mara apparently lisho ukuthi une-license lokuthi abe in position of ammunition.
So basically you are disputing the fact that uthi wena you are an alleged drug dealer and also the evidence leyabayitholile is not linked to you but is linked to your brother, of which izinto zakhe so asitshontshwana so in conclusion why do you think kunaleyo perception leyo ukuthi wena uyi-drug dealer? Why do you think they specifically came to your place ukuthi bazosesha?
Like I said, I have ngiyengadila ngizoba honest as possible ngiyengadila nalezo zinto before but inyuku yakhona yabo la ayithola imali sehambile ithathwa amaphoyisa uyaboshwa iphuma zona lezo zinto ubona ukuthi usebenzele into ekhona nje umuntu uzogcina aphelele ejele then yabo ayeka leyo.
Yena ubhuti lo okuyena ovula icala against i-security company njengoba kuboshwa umphathi wayo kanye noXolani Khumalo njengoba naye ezoboshwa kungekudala kuzofuneka ayozenda over yena. Kodwa isitori sakhe kukhona la esingawakhi khona umqondo kimi. Uthe ngesikhathi bemzama ukufaka uplastic uye wazama ukulwa baphazamiseka. Kodwa uthi ngesikhathi esesemotweni bese bemfaka uplastic isikhathi eside bengasaphefumuli kahle amaphaphu akhe abhlungu. Lokho nje kuyangiconfuse mina. Angiphika kushoyo. Okwesibili amaphoyisa amaye ngangithola mina kunesibhamu la endlini noma kuneyinhlamvu la endlini azongicharge for iposition yokuthi kwi-position of unlawful harm sekuzofuneka ukuthi enkantolo avele umnikazi uma esevelile enkantolo bese inkantolo iyakwazi ukungikhipha mina. Okokuqala uthi lo muntu usukele eJabulane Soweto wazohlala ngapha ngoba enenkinga nomkakhe kwafuneka ukuthi isibhamu nenhlamvu asithathe amaphoyisa while kusese nenkinga uzothi bangaresolve ama issues wabo bese kubuya kuye. Uthi ufike ngapha wazihanda over kodwa washiya inhlamvu. It doesn't make sense lento ukuthi okay lo muntu ushiya inhlamvu. Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ubhuti lo uke wadila nama drugs ngaphambilini. Kodwa akekho drug dealer yake yavuma yathi mina ngiyadila nama drugs ayikho neyodwa. Angisho mthu kwenzile kodwa ikhonto engawakho umqondo kule story sakhe asishoyo. Lo muntu lo akufanelanga aphathe isibhamu ngoba usenenkinga nomkakhe. Siyazi ukuthi abantu mabexabana bayadubulana. Okay. Afuneka athathe isibhamu nenhlamvu azise emaphoyiseni. Usasaleleni nenhlamvu phela ziyaziwe inhlamvu zibhukhiwe. Okay ndoda ngiyacabanga ndoda ngoba nisenenkinga nomkakho lethi isibhamu sakho isibhamu siyasibhuka inhlamvu siyazibhuka wena usele nelicense. Lezi inhlamvu lezi besazidingelana endlini. Nanokuthi akhishwa ngamaphoyisa kanti akuyona inkantolo ethatha isinqumo na. Ngoba phela amaphoyisa afuna avule icala njengoba laba ushithi iphuthela labo kuba kodwa ayikho into abebezoyenza ngoba bona ukuhanda over umuntu emaphoyiseni. Then amaphoyisa kufuneka bona bavule icala bathatha udaba baluse court. Kodwa ke ngenxa yesimo esiphila phansi kwaso eSouth Africa kugcina kunalenkinga. Sifunde nasi statement esikaXolani bese siyayivala ivideo. The statement uXolani usikhiphe ngomhla ka-16 kuJanuary 2026. Isihloko sithi Xolani Khumalo to hand himself over as SAPS arrest crime fighters while letting criminals go free. Sifundeka kanje. On Monday, 19 January 2026, Action SA Ekurhuleni mayoral candidate, Councillor Xolani Khumalo will voluntarily hand himself over to the South African Police Services. This follows leak from within SAPS indicating an intention to arrest Khumalo on charges of assault relating to an incident involving a self-confessed drug dealer in 2025. Upon reading the public reports of an intended arrest, Khumalo proactively arranged a meeting with SAPS to establish their intentions in this matter. During this arrangement, Khumalo agreed to voluntarily hand himself over on Monday, subjecting himself to what is yet another round of harassment in relation by criminals for his war on criminality in Ekurhuleni. This experience is not new to Khumalo, and South Africans as well are aware that corrupt elements within SAPS too often allow criminals to walk free while targeting those who actively fight crime. This case is no different. In 2025, Khumalo was present during a SAPS operation in Katlehong, in which the residence of a suspected drug dealer was raided. Police discovered unlicensed ammunition and arrested the suspect. However, instead of being charged and appear before a court, the suspect was inexplicably released from custody and his unlicensed ammunition was returned to him. The suspect subsequently laid a false charge of assault against Khumalo, and remarkably, this is what the police are now acting upon. It has since emerged that the suspect is allegedly involved in a drug dealing racket with members of SAPS, which Action SA and Khumalo are working with law enforcement authorities to investigate. During a recent by-elections campaign in eThwatha, Khumalo became aware of a drug dealer selling drugs to school children. Through Khumalo's contact, the suspect was apprehended in possession of drugs, but was subsequently never charged. Once again, illustrating the rot in our criminal justice system that allows criminals to go free, while those who fight crime are harassed. Action SA will join Xolan Khumalo on Monday in solidarity with him and with every South African who understands that this is the price paid for waging war against criminals. We will use this opportunity to issue a clear warning to the SAPS that Action SA is closely monitoring this process and stand ready to expose the corrupt network behind these actions. Action SA applaud Khumalo for his bravery and his willingness to subject himself to whatever force our criminal justice system intend to waste public money on in targeting those who fight the crime it fails to confront. We call on all South Africans who are grateful of police corruption and collusion with drug dealers, regardless of their political affiliation, to stand with Xolan Khumalo. Statement isibuyela kulento engisho ekuqaleni. Umsebenzi wamaphoyisa uma umuntu eselethiwe kwaletha ubufakazi ukuthi athathe lo muntu loyo amuse phambi kwenkantolo. Yinkantolo bekufuneka ibize lo mfolo azokwazi ukuchaza ngeinhlamvu ukuthi okay wazihambisa lezi ezinye lezi zasala kanjani. Uma ene license inkantolo imkhiphe hayi amaphoyisa. Kuyehlukana. Amaphoyisa wasithatha isinqumo ngomuntu. That's why kunesisho sesilungu esithi innocent until proven guilty by the court of law. Innocent until proven guilty by the court of law, ngoba inkantolo efuneke ithi cha lo muntu lona bekungafanele abela. Amaphoyisa bona bakufuneka babhale lo muntu uboshela iposition utholakale, ngoba uma ngase nje mina manje ngibe semotweni kanti kunesidumbu okanye kunenhlamvu kuneyinhlamvu okanye kunesibhamu, angeke athi amaphoyisa hayi wena siyakuyeka, bazosibopha mina mhlambe no driver wemoto bathathe lezo zinto lezo inkantolo yofika isikhiphe hayi amaphoyisa. Ya angithanda ukuyikholwa lento ukuthi lena ikhombisa ukuthi uthe Khumalo utargetiwe, kodwa sengizothanda ukuvumelana nayo ngendlela okwenzeke ngayo. Nanawa sidibane kwivideo elandelayo.